Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, Wendy Williams did it again. Now you may ask, what am I talking about? I'm talking about she belched and farted so loud on her show. This time the microphones picked it up. It was undeniable. And she let out a loud belch and a fart at the same time. Now, Wendy was spreading gossip about Kim Kardashian and Kanye West. And she was talking about how Kim probably had 5 different boyfriends, coming in and out of her house after the split from Kanye West. Now, while she was saying it, she then let out the loud burp and fart simultaneously, and it was so loud the nearby microphones caught it. And she apologized to her audience. And, you know, I would have been so embarrassed. And she looked like she was embarrassed too this time. To make matters worse, this is not her first time farting or belching on live TV. So, I mean, Wendy needs to seriously be put on some type of medication. Now, there's medications to stop her from farting. She can get something over the counter, and maybe her belching is due to gastric reflux, GERDs. Then she needs to talk to her doctor about this. But ain't nobody watching Wendy Williams to hear her fart and and belch on live TV. Now, come on, y'all. Now this is the second time this has happened. Now, Wendy, they need to. I know they do it live, but they need to try to cut that out. Or maybe they need to tape her shows instead of doing them live if she can't control her bodily functions like that. I mean, come on now. And she's the gossip queen, so everybody probably got this story. I just had to, I just had to let y'all know that she up there farting and belching again. I ain't gonna say burp because that wasn't a burp. That was a belch. Uh, Wendy. I'm pleading with you, Wendy. If you're out there listening, or if you're a friend, family member of Wendy Williams, please tell her there's a over-the-counter product called Gas X. Now, I don't get no money for that for promoting Gas X, but it will keep her from farting. I mean, she's just on there for what, 30 minutes at the most. And she can get some antacids, or she can get some Pepsi for that all that burping and belching that she's doing on the air. But it is not professional. And Wendy, I'm sorry, y'all. It was just so funny. Speaking on Kim Kardashian, yeah, she might have a point there. Gossip has been ringing about her. She may be seeing Van Jones. Whoever it is, they got to be black for the Kardashians. They just ruining black men's lives every day. I tell you, when they get a Kardashian, they ain't the same when they leave. All right, guys, that's all the gossip for me today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always important, be blessed, y'all.